Welcome to the channel. I'm the King Koopa. Thank you for stopping by. I got a good little video for you today. We're going to be decorating Betty White. That is my big crew cab long bed Silverado in the background. For our decorations, we are going to be using some red and black Plastidip. We did actually do this style of decoration last year, and we did make a video for that. The truck definitely gets a lot of reactions, a lot of photos taken and stuff. Definitely stands out. I never got pulled over with it, surprisingly. Never had any issues with anybody, but we did turn that video into an all-day event with my family, so that was really fun. This video is just going to be with my lovely lady Juliet. She's going to be helping me out. So we're going to get our Plastidip, some gloves, and just let our imaginations run wild and see what we come up with. Also, make sure you stay till the end of this video because I will be showing you how to remove the Plastidip the easiest way possible. So let's get started. There we go. I couldn't get the cap off. Let's give you a quick little walk around of Betty White. If you're interested in other Silverado customizing, I do have a lot of videos on the 03 to 06 Silverado. But here she is. She's a big girl, almost 12 inches of lift, 40s, 24 by 14 TIS rims. She does have the 8.1 liter big block in her, so she is not a Duramax, and I'm okay with that. But she is a big fun toy, so let's get started. Alright, and we're done. What was that look for? Let's go check her side out. Hey, there we go.
I just feel a lot nicer about it. I don't know why.
You got way more handprints than I do, though.
I don't have any black though. I was gonna add some black.
There's another can of black in there.
Ooh.
So basically for a lot of this you can just spray it right on, or for the handprints we just use it on a glove, spray it right on your glove, and just slap her on. But if you do want to get some fine detail, you can just lightly hold the button down and it just kind of mists it and puts a bunch of tiny little dots everywhere.
Last year we did it with the K. Didn't we?
No.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
You said K! So I did a K!
Yeah. I did it again! Get a paper towel! This is not my fault.
So now before we get too far and we're about to be finished, I want to show you guys how to remove it, and that is with this Pure Citrus Orange air freshener spray that we got from Home Depot. It's just the oils in this stuff will eat the Plastidip away, so these are like $3 a can, I think, and then I think we bought like 4 or 5 cans because they do empty out pretty quick. Make sure that you wear gloves when you use this stuff because this stuff will dry your hands out instantly. So we're going to spray this on here, on this area right here, let it sit for like 10-15 seconds, and after that we should be able to wipe it right off. Look at that, you can already see it starting to dissolve, starting to run straight down. And that's probably about 10-15 seconds. There we go, and that whole area is clean. So now basically what we do when we're going to clean this off, we're just going to spray like almost probably a quarter section of a body panel at a time, wipe it down with some blue shop towels, and then move on to the next section of the panel. And it's that easy. Just make sure that you wear gloves when you use this, and try not to breathe it in, obviously, as it is pretty strong, super strong air freshener. That is pure citrus orange. Alright, so I think we are officially done with the Plastidip blood splatter paint job. Quick question though, I want to do a little comparison. Whose do you think the King Koopa looks better? This side, so my girl did this side, or this side, so I did this side, I did the King Koopa part. Mine's more of a blocky, hers is more of a flow. You can tell who the artistic one is, but let me know in the comments whose side looks better. So I think that is about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Make sure you don't use too much black. We were using a little bit too much black. We had to go back over with a bunch of red. The black was just standing out really strong, so we should have only bought 1 can of that. But
hope you guys enjoyed the video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to view all of our videos upcoming, and if you will... I got panic. I panicked. I forgot what you said after the subscribe button.
My arm is burning. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you in next week's video.
Catch you, okay. I was just like, you said something about next week's videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in next week's video.
Have a good one.